Oftentimes I found myself wanting to copy the same framework for a given assignment, the same formatting, um, the same words, and I'd forget whether I wrote submission instructions or submission guidelines from module to module. So one trick that I like to do is I like to copy the basic framework for a given type of assignment. So this is a form, and then I put that into a text editor file, and I just have it kind of open while I'm working on the course, so I can always pull it back and just copy in that source code, and that gives me the exact same titles I have for each of these sections, the exact same line breaks I have in between everything, indentation, the exact same colors. So learning how to copy the source code is one of the most valuable things that you can learn how to do in the lessons tool if you're building courses yourself or if you're helping others to build their courses. So to do that, it's very easy. You just click on the pencil icon next to the item that you want to copy, and then you just again toggle on the source, and it's just a toggle. You toggle off and on. It's scary a little bit because you see all this code, and it is kind of freaky, but you're not doing anything here. For this trick, you're just copying. So you just come in here, you say Control A and Control C to copy it. So Control A selects it all, Control C copies it. This is different than trying to highlight it and copy it because you're going to lose formatting if you copy and paste this. You're going to lose some parts of this formatting. You'll get all the content, but I guarantee you indents will change. You'll lose some boldness. You'll lose the icon, things like that. So I always just go to source and I do Control A and Control C, and then I have it copied. So like I said, then I would open up a text file, something like this, and paste it in. I use this thing called Notepad++. It lets me have multiple text files open at any time, and then I just put it off to the side while I'm working on the module. Then that way I can have multiple things pasted, so if I needed to do like an assignment, I could do a new thing, and let's say this is the assignment code, I could have that open. You don't even have to save it if you don't want to, it's just an option. So then for module 10, let's say I need to add that same kind of framework, I can just go into the plus icon, start a new text object, and then click on source and paste it in. And now I have all of that framework added, so I can delete out this information, start typing in my background information. I can keep this because this is the content, that the same submission guidelines I want from week to week. Use a different point value, change out the title, but you have your indents, you have your colors, you have everything.